So Molly from Filecoin and Protocol Labs, it's fantastic to join you here in Amsterdam. How is your time going so far?
It's been awesome. There's so much great energy here, so many great new ideas around regenerative crypto econ and other ways of pushing the whole world forward.
Yeah, 100%. And could you tell us more about yourself, Molly, and kind of what you do at Filecoin and what is your background?
Yeah, I lead the Protocol Labs NDRES team, so focused on a lot of the core engineering and research that we're doing in the space.
Awesome.
Pushing forward a lot of new breakthroughs in IPFS, Filecoin, libp2p, trying to make the web more open, peer-to-peer, decentralized.
Okay, that's fantastic. And can you please tell us more about the Filecoin Virtual Machine, which is coming soon, because I'm so excited about it.
Yeah, absolutely. This is a really exciting and important new project that the Filecoin community is working on, trying to bring all of the smart contracts and programmability into the Filecoin network. So far, we've been super focused on onboarding data, making it useful for the entire IPFS network to build on top of. But now we're bringing additional programmability so that you can start building smart contracts both over the Filecoin network itself to add new capabilities to the network, and you can start interfacing with the data stored in Filecoin as well. So you can start building smart contracts that say, do compute over data sets that have been stored in Filecoin. You can build DAOs around data that reward the people who add data to a collection of data stored in Filecoin and then benefit from that over time. And that you can just really start being creative as a smart contract developer in this space. We're working really carefully to make sure that you can bring over EVM compatible contracts. You can start building your own ERC20 or NFTs in Filecoin land that store data automatically or that are tied to the Filecoin native actors, so that we can really push that forward and start making it way easier to collaborate and bridge with other blockchains as well.
Awesome. I'm so excited by the programmability aspect, which is just seeming to continually evolve. As a developer, as any developer who's out there, how can somebody better understand how they might deploy their application on the Filecoin virtual machine, or how might they get involved in the ecosystem with this new kind of thing which is launching?
Absolutely. We have an early builders program, which a number of folks are getting involved in now, who are excited to start getting their fingers into the weeds.
Can I join?
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
We have a ton of people who are already starting to build SDKs. It's a Rust Wasm hyper-visor, so that's our kind of base layer of the FVM, and then you can bring in what we're calling foreign runtimes, which the EVM will be one of those, and then we can actually add additional foreign runtimes adjacent to that. And so we have a number of folks who are focused on that kind of base layer right now. There's also a lot of testing and validation that's happening to make sure that it's super secure and a good addition to the Filecoin network. But then we have a later phase of the early builders program that's focused on bringing new smart contracts on top of the EVM, interfacing with those native Filecoin actors from within Solidity smart contracts. And so that's an awesome opportunity for new developers who are excited to build awesome, cool new stuff to come and get involved. That'll probably be sometime later this summer.
Definitely. Also, yeah, and that's what I would love to know about, some insight on the timelines and when this is going to be kind of available on public mainnet, or when anybody can kind of get involved and start deploying applications.
Yeah, so we have a timeline that's up on fvm.filecoin.io. Our next M1 milestone, I think, is launching in early June on the Filecoin network, and that brings kind of the base layer super tested with all of the new gas model. And then M2 is coming, I think, end of summer, which brings all of the user smart contracts and being able to do things out of the box, working with things like MetaMask and spinning up your own local network, porting over your EVM smart contracts, and having those connected with Filecoin Logra.
Awesome. I love it. I can't wait to get involved. I want to join the early builders group.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing about it.
Absolutely. Excited to bring it into all of the cool work that you guys are doing with Atlantis, so that you can have your Filecoin space and connect it in there as well.
And the RPC connecting and all of the things. Yeah.
Okay,
that's fantastic.
Awesome.
Thank you so much,
you too.
Thank you.